What's up, everyone? I'm going to go over the market today. So what is it? There's a down day most of the day, but then they averted a government shutdown again. And as you can see from this S&P 500 right here, from around 10:35 a.m. It was just a measure move up right here from right here to right there, hit that target. So what we had today was looking at a 5-minute chart right here, S&P 500. It is expanding triangle trade, and I'm getting pretty close to dropping this trade. We'll see. Sometimes it works, sometimes it goes completely opposite way. So maybe it's me just not fleshing it out enough. Because here we had one today. Delete that. So right here, put this on. Where are you? There you are. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we had the 4 right there. Then we now close above it. So then what we do is we just go from the low to the high, and we look for going up to the 200 up there, right there. But as you can see, right when it closed above it, it hit out right after the 1.146 level, and then just reversed all the way down to the lower level right here. But since we're already long, even though it closed below the short, we're not getting in the short. And then it started ratcheting up the other way. And also one thing to note, it was also, we'll go to 15-minute chart, zoom out a little bit. You can see it was in the daily extension lows of the day, so it also hit that level down there. And also this makeshift trend line from that expanding triangle trade. So what we're looking for tomorrow is it continuation going forward, hitting up into 55, 37. So just 13 more points for the market currently is. So not a big move at all. But that's what we're looking for this trade right here. And there's a couple other ones I want to show you for the markets, but that is the main one. There's the daily extension levels. So the 1.44, the upper end of it, is also close to that 200 mark that we're looking for, the 200 Fibonacci extension channel. And so that's the target we are looking for that trade. It also did set us up either on 15 or 5. It's fine. It sets us up for a retracement trade setup right here. And so when it comes down the blue line, it hits at 50%. That's when you get into it. It looks like it's about 2 points or so. Yeah, 1.752. So that's a decent trade setup right there. For long, if we do get a pullback in here for tomorrow. Now, going into the 15-minute chart for let me hide some of this stuff so it's not as convoluted here. So we had, we were already in this trade right here and still in it. It's the losses, it sucks. So that's why I'm thinking about, getting rid of this trade setup, because maybe it's just, you just have to hold it. And, of course, the time I'm in it, it's gone the wrong way for it. So, it closed above it. Here we have the expanding. Looking at the 5-minute chart, even the 4 semaphores, 1, 2, 3, 4, closed above it. Looking to hit the 200 up here. I'll get rid of the daily extension level. So you can see it bounced off the daily extension level down here and then just went completely through it then closed right close to it, but just went for a blowout day to the downside for the Russell. Of course, that's the trade I'm in. So originally, I thought when it came down, you get back around the 50 or 61.8, and then you get out close to the entry level, which would have been right here. Obviously, that didn't come anywhere close to it, so scrap that idea, but still in for 2 contracts. And it's all the way down here, so yeah, it's been a fun day. So anyways, but you can hide this thing as well. So yeah, that's what we're looking for, going up there and hitting it. It almost came down here, almost to the 200%. Well, let's see what it would be down here going the other way. Yeah, it did actually go down to the 200% the other way, right down there from that move right there. So hopefully that's going to be the springboard to move it back up and hit on up there. But what we also had happen today, which is not, delete it. We also had happen today with where is that stuff over here? There you are. Put you on, you. All right, let's just delete you and need you right now. I'm going to delete you and you. So then what we also had happen today on the 15-minute work or just 5? Yeah, 15-minute work. So from that symbol forward, 1, 2, there's the swing point high, swing point low, swing point higher high, swing point lower lows. There we have the swing point setup. We have the close below it. And so when that happens, we are looking for the 200% going the other way from the high to low. There's the high, or actually it's going to be that one right there, to the low, and it came down somewhat close. That's going to be the 1.618 hit off of right there. I'll just show you that. I guess we need to put it on. Yeah, right there. Yeah, see that? Hit the 1.618, and we'll see what's going to happen. So we'll see, tomorrow it goes down there and hits it and moves back up, or, if it goes down there and hits it and then pulls back up, we'll see. If it just craters down there, then I'm probably just going to give up on this trade setup because it's extremely frustrating. It seems like every time I get into a trade, it's going the wrong way. It's ridiculous. But hey, that's the way it goes. So no reason to complain about this trading. But this one's working. This one isn't working, but we have seen it, swing down the other way before it swung back up to it or swung back up to it. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. For me, I'm hoping that it pops up. See, the weekly chart is still coming off over sold territory. 4 hours still coming off of the overbought territory. So those are in conflict. 1 hour is coming off of being oversold down here. So, there's more. This is coming off 15 minutes coming off being oversold as well, but it's not that big of a deal. So I'm hoping tomorrow we get a big pop up there. That'd be great. I think we'll get another 6.5 point, 1781, 60-point gain. How many points was this day today? How many points is that? 5.88. So tomorrow, if he's going to hit that, between I doubt it's going to do that tomorrow, especially with extensions. Oops. Extensions. There's the daily extensions. I just got so much crap on here. Can't see anything. So there's the extension levels for going into tomorrow. But anyways, that's the Russell from what we have going into tomorrow for that one. There was that. Put these back on it. There goes that. There goes. That's really, I just need the upper one. I don't need the lower one. I don't need that one either. So yeah, it's that. We'll go ahead and put both of these back on. There's that high low for that one. And there's the high to low for that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. High. Yep, that's it. Okay. Going over to the Dow today, we had a real nice retracement trade set up. You can see price came back down to it, hit right off the 50, hit to 38. So that one's said and done right there. And then let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we are also in a potential expanding triangle trade, but again, I'm getting real close to getting rid of this trade setup. Maybe that's 1.44. I don't know. This is the only time I've seen it even stay that low before. I don't know at this point. So that's where I'm thinking the target is for that one, but I don't know. Maybe it's just 1.44 level. No, it'd be terrible though. Not very good. So anyways, we'll see what happens with this one. Okay, well, that's done. I don't need that one anymore. Let's see. Do we have potential retracement trade? Let's go 15-minute. Make it easier to see. No, that's not enough. Actually, let's see about this one. There is one right there. That one's already done. That one went, hit it. Okay, done. What about this one? All right, so there's a retracement trade setup right here. Let's see if it's still going on. No, it's done. 50 down to the 38. All right. Then going over to crude oil. This is the only one for the expanding triangle trade that actually worked. This one I was talking about yesterday. And I was saying, oh, I wish I'd got it in here, but I was already in the Russell, so I decided not to. And of course, that's the wrong decision. And closed below it, went all the way down, hit that 200, no problem at all. Of course, not in that trade, and then just cratered today. Oil was a huge loser today. It went down. So it opened from right here. Closed at around about 4.5 percentage points lower for us. Expanding triangle trade worked great right there. And of course, it's the one I wasn't in, of course. So oops. I'm trying to take you back to the tracing set. Here's the, okay, I just deleted it, whatever, it doesn't matter. Yeah, that's the only trade set we have right now is that one. For crude oil going into tomorrow, retracement trade all the way up here. So that's going to go up there and hit that one tomorrow. It does look like there's a smaller one right here. There is one. I don't think the profit potential is worth it though. What is that? It would be around, yeah, it's only 7 ticks right there. Not worth it. Then going over to the Nasdaq right here, this is another expanding triangle trade. Of course, I got in short this, got out with the loss though, got in right down here because it's when the market would look like it was cratering, the Russell was going crazy, and got out, and then it went all the way up here, and it came down. I think we got up here, I just got out, and I didn't have the margin for it. So anyways, that's supposed to be where you see it ticked right off the daily extension low right there. And then that was the support of the day, and it came back up for it. So the trade, we're looking down at the 200% level for it. So we'll see. We'll see again if it works because they have swing low, swing high, swing low, low, swing higher, high. And, oh, it shifted, but it doesn't matter. It was right here, and then it moved to right there. It doesn't matter. It's right there where it was. So close below it. So yeah, that's what we're looking for down there. So we'll see. The Nasdaq, what happens with that here coming up? But that's the setup we have. Looks like we do have potential retracement trade set up. It's got, if it hits up there, then we'll have potential retracement trade set up down here. But let's see about that. Yeah, that's already done. Up there, went up, down, 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 hit it. Retracement done as well. So yeah, so for NASDAQ tomorrow, we're just looking at this short if this expanding triangle trade is actually one that works. Then we'll look for this moving lower. So there's conflicting signals in the market. We have another one here for the SP 500, and that was one I got in long as well. Took a loss on that one. But that's the way it goes when you're looking at trying new trades. So we're looking at that target up there for it. If that wasn't there, then this would be another potential expanding triangle, but wouldn't get hit. So if this expanding triangle is actually going to be a one that works, we're looking for it going up here from the SP 500. The Russell 2000 go either way. We got one down here to that side, and of course, the one up here to this upside. So we got that, and then for the Dow Jones, we got one down here to the downside. Where is it? That one to, oops, that one right there down here. Crude has nothing, and then for the NASDAQ, we have one here to the downside. So like I said, if this is a legitimate trade setup, then we've got tons of conflicting signals over the place, but the way it's looking right now, I don't think it's going to work out. I'll give it another day or two, and if it just doesn't work out, then it is what it is. But tried it and failed at it. So anyways, thanks, have a good one. Bye.